Hey friends, so let's try an experiment. I've never done this before and I didn't look up any recipes online to get an idea of how to do this. So we're going to make a plant-based chocolate, banana, chia seed pudding experiment. Let's see how it turns out. So first I'm going to add some water. And I'm not measuring any of this out. I'm going to eyeball it completely, going for the consistency that I think I might want it to have. So I'll start out with a small amount of water because I can always, add more. So that's no big deal. And this is how I do an avocado, by the way. Just like that. And then I got the pit. I'm actually going to leave the pit in because the pit has so much fiber density and it's so outrageously anti-cancerous. So I'm leaving the pit in. And very few blenders can actually... Okay, we're back. I lost the live feed. Let's see how well this goes. Jeez, man. Hey Shannon, hey Crystal, hey Steve, hey Missy. So I cut the avocado in half, keeping the pit in there. And the pit has 5 times the fiber density of anything. It's outrageously anti-cancerous, and there's very few blenders that can handle pulverizing an avocado pit. So I'll provide a link in the description after I'm all done with this so that you can get a good blender that will handle stuff like this so you can get more medicinal stuff in your body. Alright, so scooping this out with a spoon like so, with the avocado pit in there. And then the other half, just like so, it scoops right out beautifully. So I have that right in the canister here. Hi Missy, hi Madison. And then I have this banana, preferably a frozen banana, and then put the banana chunks in. You can do a whole one or a half one. I'm going to do a half. And then of course some chia seeds, preferably water soaked. I'm going to put actually 2 tablespoons of chia seed in it because I love chia seed. Chia seeds are so freaking good. Okay, so that's mixing up. You can also, optional thing, you can add some cayenne pepper powder to make it hot. But I'm going to have my mom try this and she hates cayenne pepper powder and spicy food, so I'm going to leave that out of this batch. But the next one I make for myself, you better believe I'm going to have some heat in there. Okay, so now I'm going to take this to the blender, blend it all up. So it's just a few different ingredients. If you dig this stuff, my website is tomberkenmeyer.com. I've got over 110 so far plant-based, whole food, nutritious meals. Oh wait, duh, I forgot the most important ingredient. My bad, the chocolate part. Duh, what's a chocolate pudding without chocolate? So this being the most important part, otherwise it's not really a chocolate pudding. If you're interested in seeing what I'm using for the superfoods blend, it's got over 70 different superfood ingredients with a chocolate flavor. It's all raw, it's living, it's soy-free, dairy-free, GMO-free, and super delicious. This is going to need a little bit more water. That's why I start out with just a little water, because I can always add more, right? I tried my own chia seed chocolate almond milkshake concoction too. It was pretty good. Oh, you were rather proud. That's a good idea. So I got some water. I'm going to put a splash of almond toasted coconut milk in there. That's a really great idea. Hi, Madison. And thanks for that, Robin. See what happens when we're interactive? Sometimes we learn from each other. I just got an idea from Robin, so thank you. Okay, here we go. Gotta walk around my house when it loses its connection. Hope you guys are still there. I see some of you are, so that's cool. Jeez, Facebook, you're fired. Okay. So if you want to see the superfoods shake blend that I'm using for the base of this, private message me, I'll send you the link. You can check it out. See if you want to try this and stuff that you're making. So, blend it all up, man. All the ingredients are added, just a few ingredients. And again, Robin, thank you for the idea for that. Oh, we're back. How about that? So all that you missed was really nothing. I blended it up and I had to add a little bit more liquid to it for the right consistency. So now I'm going to try it out with you guys as my witness. Oh wow, this has the perfect consistency. Look at that. It's pudding-like. It's just so good. Let's try it out. Okay, so send all hate mail to Facebook for constantly interrupting us. All that's left now is to taste it in front of you guys. I'm so glad this is almost over because Facebook is not behaving well today. Alright, so here we go. Don't fail on me now, Facebook. Chocolate orgasm. And that's that. So I'm going to try this with my mom in a bit. I think she's going to like it. It tastes pretty damn good. So TomBerkenmeyer.com is my website, and I'll include a link to the blender that I use, because very few of them can accomplish what I just did now with pulverizing an avocado pit. And if you want to know about the chocolate superfood mix that I use